Tornadoes are a threat in Fairfax County. So on March 19th at 9:45, there will be a statewide tornado drill to exercise what a resident or a business owner can do to prepare and respond to a tornado in Fairfax County. So the National Weather Service and the Virginia Department of Emergency Management have encouraged localities, including Fairfax County, to participate in this drill and to encourage their residents, their businesses, and organizations to participate. The National Weather Service will send an alert through multimedia. We ask you all to take cover in an interior room in your facility, and then afterwards we would love for you to review your plan and to ensure that your plan is up to date, and then practice and practice. All you got to do is sign up on the Virginia Department of Emergency Management webpage. It's fairly simple, and what we would really like for everyone to do is participate with our agency at Ready Fairfax. Post pictures, stories, anything that you have so that we can push this out to the public.